Hi everyone, this is Dr. Devin Mills here with Mississippi State Extension to give you an overview of the County Agriculture Dashboard up on the Extension website. This Tableau dashboard shows ag-related statistics for Mississippi counties and for the state. You can see here that the dashboard is organized by sheets up at the top of the dashboard. To navigate, you can click on the different sheets and it will bring you to the different pages of the dashboard. The introduction sheet talks about the dashboard and also provides a data key with the source of the data. My contact information is also here at the bottom of the introduction sheet. Going to the farm and producer statistics sheet, if we click on that, this sheet shows one table, one graph, and a map on the right-hand side of the sheet. If you want to look at a county's data, you can use the county drop-down here, scroll through the different counties, and click on whatever one you're interested in. So for example, if we were interested in Carroll County, we can click on Carroll, and the table and graph adjusts correspondingly. If you hover over the numbers in the tables, you will see callouts showing the area, the variable, and also the variable's value. The graph here on the bottom shows lands and farms by use, broken down by cropland, irrigated land, pasture land, and woodland. If you hover over the bars on the graph, you will see callouts showing how much cropland, irrigated land, pasture land, and woodland is in the county. So for example, this is for Carroll County. And then for Mississippi, if you hover over the bars, you will see similar callouts as well. If you go to the map here on the right-hand side, you can change the values that the map displays. We can adjust the map's color to show different ag statistics. Hovering over the counties will show the county name and values depending on what variable is selected here under Select Map Color. So right now the map is showing farm acres per operation in the callout. So if we want to click here and go down to total number of producers, the map adjusts, and if you hover over the counties, the map color value here in the callouts represents the total number of producers in the county that you are looking at. The next sheet on the right is crop sales in acres. This sheet has two tables and two maps. The table at the top is for the total value of crop sales, and the table here at the bottom is for acres harvested by crop. If there is a D value in the table, that means that the data value is suppressed by the data source. There is also a note here at the bottom about that suppression. You can also see in these tables, data callouts are shown if you hover over the numbers in the tables. The top map up here at the top is for crop sales by commodity. You can change the commodity here using the drop-down, and the map's colors and values will adjust to show crop sales for that commodity. So if soybeans is selected and you hover over the counties, the crop sales value in the callout represents soybean crop sales. The bottom map is for crop acres by commodity. You can change the commodity here, and the map's colors and values will adjust to show crop acres for that commodity. So if wheat is selected and you hover over the counties, the crop acres value here in the callouts represents wheat acres. The last sheet is the animal sales and livestock inventory sheet with two tables and two maps as well. The table at the top is for the total value of animal sales, and the table at the bottom is for livestock inventory. We can change the county again here using the drop-down. So let's go to Lee County, and you can see that the tables adjust. If there is a D value in the tables here, that means the data value is suppressed by the data source. There's also a note here at the bottom of the sheet explaining that. Again, if you hover over the values in the tables, you will see data callouts as well. The top map here is for animal sales. You can change the commodity here and the map's colors and values will adjust to show animal sales for that commodity. If, for example, we do the drop down and go to hogs and hover over the counties, the animal sales value here will represent hog sales in the callouts. The bottom map is for livestock inventory. You can change the commodity here, and the map's colors and values will adjust to show inventory for that livestock. So if broilers is selected and you hover over the counties, the livestock inventory value in the data callout for that county represents broiler inventory. If you would like to download the dashboard or the sheets, you can click this button here at the bottom and download as an image, as a PDF, or as a PowerPoint. Thank you so much, and please reach out if you have any questions.